Happy New Year's, everyone, from the plant farm. Today, I am going to show you how to plant your very own cute succulent bowl. We have plenty of succulents in stock right now in our 2-inch size. We would love to see you in for our poinsettia exchange program. So let's get to it. I have already picked out a cute little dish, and I made sure the diameter is right about where I wanted it to be to host these 5 plants. Personally, I find odd numbers of plants to look best, so that's why I chose 5, but you can do 3, 7, whatever your heart desires for the size of pot that you have. I did make sure that it was something that was fairly shallow because really succulents' roots tend to stay fairly shallow, and I don't want them getting in a situation where they're getting too little or too much water, leading to root rot. In picking the succulents that I got, I did choose different ones that have a variety of textures as well as colors. This one, or these 2 right here, are going to be taller growers. However, this one here will fall over eventually if it kind of gets heavy enough. I have a nice trailer, and then I have a couple of low spreaders. So I'll want to kind of divvy these out. I also have used the Cactus succulent soil, so it's a really nice chunky perlite mix in here. I'm going to start with my center, and I really don't want to mess with the roots too much. As long as they are not already really coiled, I don't have to worry about breaking them up because they will grow towards the new soil. And then I'll start placing the other ones around the edges. If we lose a couple beans on the way, it's no big deal. We can just plant them on top and they should start to root. Since this one kind of has more of a pinky to it and this one as well, I'm going to put them on opposite sides, and they're both fairly likely to start trailing once they get heavy enough, with my 2 low growers on either side over here. Now it's time to just kind of fill in with more of that cactus succulent mix right up to the soil line where the pots were. We also have terrariums in stock too. If you wanted to come in and make the mess in stores, that is always an option. Just bring up your supplies to the register and we're happy to get you checked out up there. There you have it, a cute little ready to go succulent bowl to brighten up your area.